To add or remove Samsung Internet Edge panels in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Okay. Tap display, brightness, select filter, home screen, and then scroll down, find Edge panel. Tap Edge panel, change the Edge panels and Edge lighting settings. Tap Edge panels, swipe left. To add Samsung Internet, check Samsung Internet, and then to remove Samsung Internet from Edge panel, uncheck Samsung Internet. To add, visit your favorite web page from the Edge screen. To add favorite web page, tap plus icon, and then select the web page you want. To save, tap back button. To remove, tap edit, and then tap minus icon in web page you want to remove. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.